this is me and this is my friend. So we both had a plan to build a PC. And here we go. So in this build, we are going to use Ryzen 5 5600G processor, the same processor we use in my computer. So the motherboard we are using is from Gigabyte A520MK version 2, and this has NVMe port, so you can plug in your NVMe SSDs and get the full speed. So this has 2 RAM slots, so you can hook up to 64GB or 128GB DDR4 RAM. So this motherboard supports high-end GPU, so you can hook up 4090, like if you have budget. So we are using 16GB DDR4 RAM of 2 sticks. So dual channeling helps a lot. So if you want to know more about it, here's a video, just check it out. So talking about the SSDs, we are using MSI's NVMe 512GB SSD. So talking about the cabinet, we are using one and only legendary cabinet that is from Zebronics and model is Kronos. Talking about it, it's a decent cabinet under budget and the price of it was around 2500 rupees in offline stores. So we are using 550 watt power supply from Antec, and yeah, it's not a gold rated or bronze rated. It's a decent power supply under budget. So we successfully built the PC, and how does it looks? So it looks like this. So we also purchased a 24-inch gaming monitor with 165Hz refresh rate. So we tested GTA 5 on this PC and we were getting very good FPS. So we were getting around 55 to 70 FPS in GTA 5 in 1080p medium settings. And that's actually very good. That was playable. So we were able to play GTA 5 very smoothly. There were no jitters or stuttering in the game. It was running very smooth. So now you please enjoy the gameplay. So we also tested FIFA 19 in 1080p ultra settings and we were getting above 60 FPS. So yeah, it is capable of playing all AAA games in medium to low settings. So that's a very great thing. So the total costing of all the components excluding monitor was around 30 to 31,000 rupees in offline market, and with monitor it was like 42 to 43,000 rupees. So it's a great deal under 40,000 rupees. Do you prefer Intel or AMD for gaming? So I want you to comment down, and I prefer AMD for gaming because it performs very good than Intel. Bye.